In today's video, we're taking a closer look at ProtonVPN's free plan and what it can and can't do. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been wondering whether a no-cost VPN is enough to protect your privacy or access the sites you want, this guide is going to give you that clear answer. We're going to talk about the features you get, the limitations you should know about, and some practical tips for making the most out of this plan. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether ProtonVPN's free tier fits your needs or if it's worth considering an upgrade. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start off with the basics. What is ProtonVPN? ProtonVPN is a virtual private network service created by the team behind Proton Mail, which is a really popular encrypted email provider. Based in Switzerland, ProtonVPN benefits from the country's strong privacy laws and has a very strict no-logs policy. The service encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through secure servers, which hide your IP address and prevents your internet service provider or third parties from tracking your online activity. ProtonVPN is open source, meaning its apps are transparent and subject to independent audits. The company offers paid plans with advanced features, but it also provides a free tier designed to make internet privacy accessible to everyone, which is very rare in the VPN world. Okay, let's talk about the key features of ProtonVPN's free plan. So ProtonVPN's free plan includes a surprising number of features for a zero-cost service. First off, it offers unlimited bandwidth, so you won't be cut off after using a certain amount of data. You can connect to servers in a handful of countries, typically the US, the Netherlands, Japan, Poland, and Romania, giving you some flexibility in choosing your location. AES 256 and SHA-SHA-20 encryption secure your traffic, and the company's apps include built-in kill switches and DNS leak protection to prevent accidental data leaks. The free plan is completely free of ads and doesn't track or sell your data. ProtonVPN uses open source apps, which means the code is publicly available for scrutiny. This transparency is very rare, especially among free VPNs, and really demonstrates ProtonVPN's commitment to privacy. The free plan also benefits from the company's broader infrastructure. Paid users get access to secure core servers, which routes traffic through multiple servers for even additional protection. And NetShield, a feature that blocks ads, trackers, and malware. While these aren't available to free users, the underlying network quality helps ensure stability and reliability. You can use the free plan on one device at a time, and it supports most major platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. The service also integrates really smoothly with Proton's other products, such as Proton Mail, Proton Drive, and Proton Pass, which just gives you a cohesive privacy ecosystem. Now let's break down what you actually get with ProtonVPN's free tier. First off is unlimited data. Unlike many free VPNs that cap your monthly bandwidth, ProtonVPN allows you to browse as much as you want. You're not going to hit a data limit mid-month. You also get 5 server regions. So free servers are located in the US, Netherlands, Japan, Poland, and Romania. You can choose among them based on proximity or specific needs. Selecting the nearest server generally yields the best speeds, though, just as a side note. Next is solid encryption and security features. Their connection uses strong encryption standards, and the app does include a kill switch and DNS leak protection. These tools stop internet traffic if the VPN disconnects and just ensures your DNS requests don't reveal your browsing history. There's also no ads or trackers. So ProtonVPN doesn't show ads on its app or sell your data to third parties. The company is funded by paid subscribers, not advertising, so even free users can enjoy a clean experience, which is so nice. Open source and audited apps. So ProtonVPN's apps have been audited by independent security firms. This transparency builds trust as anyone can review the code and report vulnerabilities. Integrations with Proton's ecosystem. If you use Proton Mail for email or Proton Drive for cloud storage, you'll really appreciate the way ProtonVPN integrates with these services. A single account manages all of them, and you can switch between apps very seamlessly. Now let's talk about what the free plan can't do. With all the generosity of the free tier, ProtonVPN sets clear boundaries on what it doesn't provide. First off is streaming and torrenting are not included. Free servers are not optimized for streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney+, and you'll likely see a proxy detected error if you do try. P2P file sharing is also blocked on the free plan, meaning that you can't torrent files. These features do require a paid subscription. Next is limited server location. So having 5 country options is better than a single location, but you're not going to find servers in every region. If you need an IP address from a specific country, the free plan is probably not going to meet your needs. One device at a time. So you can only connect one device simultaneously. If you want to protect your phone and laptop at the same time, you'll either need to disconnect one or upgrade. Paid plans plans will increase that device limit for you. No secure core or net shield. So secure core routes your traffic through multiple servers before exiting to the internet, which just adds an extra layer of privacy. Net shield blocks ads, trackers, and malware, so both features are reserved for paid tiers. Lower priority speeds. ProtonVPN prioritizes bandwidth for paying customers. Free servers can get congested during peak times, which is just going to result in slower speeds. You may also experience buffering or longer load times, especially in the evening. There's also no custom streaming or gaming servers. The free plan doesn't offer servers optimized for streaming or gaming, so you're not going to get low latency or consistent performance that these specialized servers provide. Okay, now that you understand what's included, what's not, let's talk about some tips for getting the most out of the free plan. Even with its limitations, ProtonVPN's free plan can be really useful for browsing, secure messaging, and just general privacy. So here are some of the ways to make the most out of it. First off, you want to connect to the nearest server. Distance is going to add that latency. Choose the server closest to your location from the available options. For example, if you're in North America, pick a US server. In Europe, try the Netherlands or Poland. This simple step can significantly improve your speed. Next, you want to use Proton products together. Combine ProtonVPN with Proton Mail, Proton Drive, or Proton Pass for a really integrated privacy experience. Because all products share the same account, you can manage them really easily and benefit from cohesive security practices. Next is to schedule high bandwidth tasks during off-peak hours. Since free servers can slow down when everyone is online, try browsing or downloading during quieter periods like mid-morning or late night. This is going to reduce congestion and can yield to faster speeds. Next is to check your base connection. So run a speed test without the VPN first. If your base internet is slow, the VPN is not going to improve it. Understanding your baseline helps you to set realistic expectations. Then you're going to update the app regularly. I know this sounds very simple, but it's something that's really overlooked. So ProtonVPN is always improving its software, so you want to make sure you're running the latest version to get security patches and performance optimizations. You also want to use the kill switch. Always keep the kill switch enabled. It's really easy to forget that your VPN may drop, which just exposes your real IP, which defeats the purpose of having a VPN. The kill switch stops all traffic if the tunnel breaks, which is going to preserve your privacy. And lastly, be mindful of usage. Since the free plan doesn't support streaming or torrenting, keep your activity within its intended scope: web browsing, email, and secure messaging. If you find that ProtonVPN's free tier isn't meeting your needs, the company offers paid plans with more features. Upgrading is going to unlock secure core, net shield, streaming, and P2P support, more server locations, faster speed, and the ability to connect multiple devices. Paid subscriptions also support the development of the free service. While this video isn't about convincing you to upgrade, it's definitely worth knowing that the option exists if your requirements grow. Many people start with the free plan and later decide that they need the extra features for work, travel, or entertainment. I wanted to touch on the paid plans just so you understand what that even looks like. So if you want to go ahead and click our exclusive link down below, you can actually save up to 70% off. They've got a few options here. They keep it very, very simple. They've got the 2-year, the 1-year, and the 1 month. If you want to save the most, I would go with the 2-year plan. And with that, it's just $2.99 per month. If you want to go with the 1-year plan, you can save 57%, which is $4.32 per month. And if you want to go with the 1 month, you're not saving anything. It would be $9.99 per month. Each of these plans do have a 30-day money-back guaranteed, which is very powerful. So if within that 30-day window, you're not obsessed with it, you don't feel like it fits into your workflow, you can always get your money back. You also can go ahead and start off with the free plan if you feel more comfortable doing that, just to get familiar with the UI. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the free plan. So the biggest advantage of ProtonVPN's free plan is that it costs nothing and still provides you with unlimited bandwidth and really strong security. The absence of ads and trackers really just sets it apart from other free VPNs that monetizes users' data. Open source apps and independent audits further just enhance that trust, and being part of the Proton ecosystem adds convenience if you already use Proton's other services. The downsides are mostly about limitations that we've kind of already talked about. You can only connect to one device at a time and have access to servers in just 5 countries. Again, streaming and torrenting are off limits, and you don't get advanced features like secure core or net shield. Speeds can vary during peak times, and there are no optimized servers for gaming or media. These constraints mean the free plan is best suited for basic privacy and everyday browsing rather than data-intensive tasks. So again, just some things to keep in mind. Is the free plan for you? ProtonVPN's free plan is a great entry entry point if you're just starting out with VPNs or need occasional protection on public Wi-Fi. It's also ideal for people who prioritize privacy but have a tight budget. You do get a trustworthy service with unlimited data and essential security features without spending a dime. If you need to stream, torrent, or connect multiple devices, you're going to quickly hit the plan's limitations and should definitely consider upgrading. Use the free plan as a stepping stone. If it meets your basic needs, enjoy the peace of mind it offers. If not, explore the other paid tiers or even other providers. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to figure all this out on your own. There's so many options out there, but once you understand the strengths and limits of ProtonVPN's free tier, you are going to be so much better equipped to decide what's right for you. And since you watched this video, you already have such a strong understanding. If you want to go ahead and check out their free plan or even their upgraded plans and save up to 70% off, don't forget to use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you choose and use VPN services with simple guides and honest advice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.